let's tour the Chinook Bayside on the Ford chassis. It's very cool, something similar to, competitors in the market, with a two twin sofa bed in the back with the rear bathroom. However, the Chinook Bayside comes different from the rest because it has a dry bathroom in the back, which completely changes everything. If you are one of those people who like to have a dry bathroom experience and not to have to worry about everything getting wet all the time, so this could be an option for you. It's got everything that you might need, especially with the Expion 360 lithium system that is on board, which will power everything you have. It's got the secure simple internet, WineGuard Connect for the internet, the Truma Aventa, and I want to show you this huge step to get in and out. Also these rugged ones for the front. Beautiful upholstery, the seats all leather with beautiful stitching all around, and then swiveling, of course, for the front. Show price of $165,871. The Chinook Bayside TB 360. I'm just gonna go around and show you. First, before we walk inside, I'm here at the Tampa 2025 Super RV Show, and beautiful looks. And as I said, this is the rear bathroom, dry bathroom. You've got all these cubbies to store all kinds of stuff. And then here you have a little place where you can store your longer items or your 30 amp power cord. And here you have your battery disconnect. You can unlock this doors from the back. It has the privacy shades all the way down. Well, it's not insulated. I wish there was some sort of a magnetic option available, but these will do for privacy purposes. And for towing, you have everything that you need already. 4-pin and the 7-pin right here. This is where you would store your hose. Rear view camera up above. On the left driver's side, this is where you plug in your 30 amp smart plug right there. And here is your drain for your sewer and fresh water. Nice sturdy ladder to go and climb up to the roof, which we will do, and see what's on the roof. You have the Truma AC, the WineGuard for your internet. I see 3 solar panels, assuming this would be around 375 or around that range of power. Here you have your exhaust for your generator. It's an all-wheel drive EcoBoost Transit 350 HD chassis. And let's walk inside and see what's going on. All right, let's walk inside. Obviously, you have the beautiful cab of the Ford E350 chassis with swiveling chairs. Right above us is a little storage space right here where you can actually find your induction cooktop. Right next to it, you have your induction microwave. Here you have your nice size refrigerator from Norcold, and underneath your freezer section. Across it, which is right by the door, by the entrance door, you have your sink with a cover, faucet. You have some storage space nice strong magnet. You have an extension leaf right here, which makes this whole area quite large for prepping or drying your dishes, etc. And then opens up into this nice airy space with two sofas from across each other. As you can see, the same kind of a stitching all around, and then they're very comfortable. And when it comes to sleeping, you can sleep separately on each side. Obviously, you will have to remove these cushions, and you have equally large two beds, or you could actually open this up. As you can see on the hinges, you have these panels that will flip open to connect with this side, and using these cushions you could make it into a huge large king size bed. You have two windows with privacy shades, with already nets for mosquitoes and the bugs, both on this side as well, right here. Also where you have your TV. Over here you do have two closets, a hanging closet with shelves if need be. You can adjust the height of those. And also here another hanging closet. So it's very, very nice. And then you have all these beautiful looking overhead cabinets for storing all kinds of stuff. And they're all passed through so that like you can actually store longer items without having to worry about space. Nice strong latches and hinges. Same on this side, three of them with AC outlets and USB port, HDMI cable port, more storage. And then you have the Truma Aventa AC, which is super quiet, really runs great. You have your TV over there, as I said. They added this bottle opener here, which is a cute little touch. And now we're coming to the part where I really, really like. Of course, you have your Victron Energy, the power control system right here, and then the heating, water, and the temperature control in the cabin right here. Above the bed, you have AC outlets and USB-C and USB-A ports for your power needs to charge your items. And then we have this sliding door that separates the rear from the front. And then it opens up to this large bathroom space with porcelain toilet. Above it, a nice window and a cabinet. And then across, you have a full-size shower. It's a dry shower. It comes with a sliding widget door, as you can see. Even if the door is closed, you still have ample space here for all your needs. It's got nice magnetic net to keep all the bugs and the critters outside. Very, very nice space. And once the door is closed, you are in nice full dry bathroom with full-size shower here in a Class B van. And as I said, this is a privacy curtain door. It's also waterproof, keeping the front completely private from the back. And this is the Chinook Bayside TB 360 on a beautiful Ford E350 all-wheel drive chassis. And the retail price, suggested retail price, is currently MSRP $197,721. However, for the show price here at Tampa is $165,871. So it looks great. Great tires. Beautiful gas chassis with a dry shower in the back. Hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, like and comment, subscribe to the channel. You know, it doesn't cost you at all. It just gives support to my channel to make it bigger and to be able to create more content for you. And if you could share this video with your friends, it will even reach more viewers and we can grow our community together. So until the next time, thank you for watching and see you on the road.